Hello everybody, here's the latest in my series of flying birds. It's a sedge of flying cranes. Now the crane's a great big bird, essentially it's black and white. This is the Siberian crane and it has this red hood on him. So for the background I wanted to try something different. I love that go-to blue, but if I'm not careful they're all going to look the same with that blue. So this time I've gone for this really royal blue, almost purple. It's an iridescent tile, as you can probably see. And the thing to do is to make the decision and then stick with it. I honestly didn't know if this was going to work until it was finished, and it's many days' work, as you can see. Anyway, I think I've pulled it off. I think it works. And as usual, I've written an accompanying verse, which goes like this. A sedge of flying cranes. When it comes to describing cranes, you can pledge that the best word to use would be a hedge. There's also herd, which I regard as detrimental, because it makes them sound elephantal.